The inventory app is available on the app dashboard in the form of an icon titled Inventory App. Tapping on the icon opens up the inventory app. Initially, the app contains no inventory, as evident by the empty box, hinting the user to start adding inventories. The user can add an inventory by tapping on the pink button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Say the user is interested in adding an inventory item titled car seat covers. Car seat covers. The price for these covers is say 1500 PKR. The quantity at hand is 1500 as well, and the supplier is called Thai Supply. Click, and the item is saved in the local storage of the cell phone. So if you have an image available of the inventory item, you can upload that, and that image would show up in the place where currently we have a no image available. You can add as many inventory items as you need. Let's add another one for this example. Say steering cover. The price is 1000 PKR. The quantity at hand is 100 such covers. The supplier is the same, Thai Supply. Let me fix the spelling of steering. It's steering. Alright, so once done with all the details, select the tick button and the inventory item would be added. Say you want to log out of this application and move on to some other application, do some other work in other applications, and when you come back to this app, you'll find your data still present there in its most recent updated form. So whatever updates you make into this app, they remain in this app because they get saved into the cell phone storage. Apart from the option of adding more inventory items, you also have two other options. They become visible by tapping on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen. The first option is insert dummy data. The user would not be interested in this option. Still, it's basically an option for the developer. Still, by selecting this option, a dummy item gets added into the inventory. By selecting it again, that same dummy item gets added in again. Now say if the user didn't like these dummy items and wants to delete them out of the inventory, all they have to do is select the delete button, and items would be erased from the inventory. The second option is delete all items. Selecting this option clears the inventory of all its items and leaves the inventory in its brand new form. This option should be selected if say the user was initially an auto parts dealer and then decided to be a jello beans dealer, a more colorful thing. So the user could erase all his or her previous inventory and start anew for the jello beans. Say in this case, the user is interested in adding an inventory item called jello apple. The price is 10 PKR per unit. The quantity at hand is 1000. The supplier happens to be jello mellow. Click, and we have the item in the inventory. So this was a short demo of the inventory item. For the developers who are interested in how this app was put together, this app basically makes use of storing info in the SQLite database on Android. It also integrates Android's file storage system into the database. It uses features which present info from files in SQLite DBs, and it also has features for updating information based on user input. So this app was basically created keeping in mind the needs of small store owners around me. In case you find the user interface and the use cases of this app as too simplistic, you are more than welcome to send me an email with your suggestions and I'll add them into this app.